Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Janda Manlapit. Opposite hitter, number 6, Shaila Tan. Setter and her team captain at number 9, Jane Yuma. Millbucker, number 11, Judith Abil. Outside hitter, number 15, Jean Razos. Millbucker, number 18, Dan Gentrelli. Starting libero at number 7, Ik Herman. Head coach of Comelec, Mr. Ricky Marcos. Calling on our Senate Lady Defenders. Let's start with our setter at number 2, Jenica Lai. Opposite hitter and her team captain at number 3, Jenny Dili. Millbucker, number 8, Chichi Tumiera. Outside hitter, number 11, Candice Cerezo. Another outside hitter, number 15, Kyle Sinday. Millbucker, number 16, Javen Sabas. Starting libero at number 18, Steffi Aquino. Head coach of the Senate, Mr. Roger Gorayev. It's the Suffragettes versus the Lady Defenders. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
And we have Roger Gorayev, of course, calling the shots for the Senate. You had a long talk with Coach Roger kanina, no?
Yes. Yes, we did. Interesting.
Ay, kayo naman pag nag-usap naman kayong dalawa eh. Alam mo naman si Coach Roger, open na open yan. Hindi naman, hindi nagtatago ng sikreto yan.
Correct.
Ang busy nga na schedule niya, no? Meron pa siyang San Sebastian, may Senate siya, may Capital One pa siya.
Yes. Tapos may kumukuha pa sa kanya, pero hindi na pwede kasi sobrang full na yung schedule.
Kulang yung oras sa isang araw.
Oo.
Okay, first pass of the ball. Yumang. Hits it on 2.
Not expected to have that attack right away, no? Tip lang siya. Ang ganda nung tansya niya dun sa zone 5.
And one of the main guns of the Comelec, Abil, will get us off and serving. Judith serve. Sabas receiving. Lai with the set. And we have the first big defensive dig. Praktisado itong dalawang team na to kasi napaka-importante. The block is a score.
You know, when Gendrauli is in front, you can be sure na talagang babantayan niya ang attackers ng Senate. Masipag siya sa net. Look at this block. It was an offensive block.
Saka alam mo, pag naglaro ka ng beach volleyball, matututo ka magsipag kasi. Kasi dalawa lang kayo. At 10. This is a toss that is out.
Tinarget niya ang zone 2, kaya lang it just went wide.
Kasi walang tao eh.
Oo.
Why not?
Correct.
2-1 ang ating bilang and the Senate with the serve, serving at 1. Here's a gentle tap. That works and it'll make it 3-1.
Parang binawi niya, no? Initially kanina lumabas it went wide. Ito mas calculated na. So again, there was nobody there in zone 2 and she got the point for her team.
Okay, Rasos will be serving for the Suffragettes. And that's the service ace.
Akala mo kasi lalabas yung bola eh, but then it hit the line. That's why the point goes to Comelec. Ito na, no, yung momentum starter ng Comelec. Tuloy-tuloy.
It was a very deceptive serve.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, both these teams equal in team standings, 4 and 4.
Oop.
That's outside. Tried to serve short again, but this time it did not work. Senate has its second point, 2 against 4, as we have the Senate serving. Sabas will do the honors. Lai gets to it. Here's Jamie Dili. Here's the toss. The setup job by Yumang. The strike. It is inside.
Si Gendrauli, when she hits, iba-iba yung angulo niya eh. Hindi lang siya isang posisyon. Tapos tinitingnan talaga niya, saan ba may butas? At doon niya dinadala yung bola niya.
And it's a lot of hand action more than anything else. Dilly had to toss it over quickly. In the meantime, from the middle we go. Abil keeps it in play. Yumang lifts it high. This does not work for Manlapit. And the attempted dig rams into the net.
I think Tubiera thought that she was going to hit Magnaye. Kaya na-control niya a little bit yung yung pag-receive niya ng bola.
Yeah.
Kaya napunta sa net.
Senate falling into a gap early on. 2 against 6. Tubiera tries to make up. It's off the block of Gendrauli. Tubiera slaps it in and scores. Bawi.
Talagang challenging si Tubiera, no? Challenging the block of Gendrauli. Kasi nga, takbo na ng takbo si Gendrauli. So, hoping na medyo she has to catch her breath. She hits that ball to the block. Naka-point pa rin siya off the block.
Mapagod ka.
Oo.
Abil will send it to Yumang. Tan with the shot. To the back row we go. And from the middle, here's Abil. Becomes a set for Lai. Problematic, but playable.
Long rally here.
First long rally of the match. And usually, it will end in an error pag long rally.
Oo nga.
Ate mo, bubuhayin at bubuhayin.
Oh, there's the error.
So, regardless of level yan. UVL, collegiate, high school. Diba? Error ang usually dulo ng isang long rally. 7-3. Gendrauli serve. Pop! And out of reach.
Wow, that was a strong serve. You could see it dun sa flight nung bola. Kaya timeout si Coach Roger.
Yep.
Anim. Anim na error tayo. Konting intensity. Parang nag-uumpisa pa lang yung laro. Tamad na tayo lahat kumilos. Paano tayong gusto nating manalo? Tamad naman tayong kumilos. Ano mangyayari? Konting sipag naman. Menchi, ayos-ayos naman. Simpleng bolang receive. Hirap na hirap tayo. Over yung bola, not over pa. Taas nyo na lang yung bola para makapwesto kayo sa block. Nang malaki yan, mas mahirap humabol ng humabol.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ingay tayo sa loob. What? Senate! Over na ako.
Coach Roger Goreev is already looking at the bigger picture of things dito sa UVL. Last season, alam na daw niya kung sino yung #1 team doon. That was the AFP. Kaya ang naging goal ng Senate Lady Defenders ay makapasok as the #2 spot. So ngayon naman, nakikita na daw ni Coach Roger kung sino yung top 3 teams na papasok sa ating semifinals round. Kaya kailangan makuha daw nila yung panalo na to against the Comelec if they want to advance as the #4 team sa ating semis and if they want to advance in the next round. Kaya ang motivation talaga ni Coach Roger para ngayong araw ay matalo itong Comelec, makakuha sila ng panalo para makapwesto sila sa ating semifinals. Balik sa inyo, 7 Chicky.
Pero Ira, ang pinoint out ni Coach Roger doon sa last time out niya, magsipag naman tayo. Masyadong madali feeling niya ang nangyayari para sa Comelec. Parang mga simpleng bola, hindi mahabol ng ladies of the Senate.
Kailangan daw more intensity sa kanilang paglaro. And kailangan kasi maitaas lang nila yung bola. Like right now, nahihirapan silang to put that ball up. Hindi sila nakakaset for an attack.
Exactly. Here's Lai, and they're kind of disorganized on the floor. Though, that is long. I thought they might have gotten that. It now becomes 10 or 11-3. Cecilio will check in for Tubiera. Early 8-point lead by the Comelec Suffragettes. Gandrauli will continue to serve. Nice dig, but too close to the net. Problematic for Lai.
Oh, nakakailang aces na si Gandrauli. And again, ano yan result din yan of being a long-time beach volleyball player.
Daming rich ng variety na experiences niya as a player.
Right.
Manlapit got to it. Abel hoists it high. Looked long, but Sabas was committed to it. Standing spike. Here comes a set by Yumang. Abel attacks. And it's out of reach. It's getting to be bigger and bigger now. It's a 10-point lead for the Comelec.
You know, I asked Abel, what's their game plan for today's match? Kasi nga, nag-5 sets sila ng round 1. And she said, kailangan makuha nila agad yung momentum. Makuha nila sa first set. Because what happened last time, first 2 sets, natalo sila ng Senate. So ayaw nilang maulit yun.
In the meantime, a spike that ends short. Senate has its 4th point. It's 4 against 13. As Dile asks if she is the one who is about to serve.
Oh, that's a good thing kasi gusto mo syempre sigurado ka na tama yung server. Otherwise, you give a free point to your opponent if you make an error there.
Here's a set. Down the middle. It's a nice deceptive move by Cecilio. Read by Abel. Set by Lai. Down the middle we go. Roger doesn't like the fact that his team is playing patty cake with the other side. They get the point of the miscue of time.
Dan tried to go to that ball faster than usual. Kailang malapit kasi yung bola sa net kaya medyo nahirapan siya talaga doon. It wasn't her comfort zone.
So a bit of misread by Shyla Tan. Here comes Abel. Abel attacks. Wicked shot into down the line.
And that's why you need a blocker for Abel. If Abel Gandrauli, if they're in front, kailangan merong kang blocker. Kung hindi, ganyan kalakas ang bola.
And let's go with the serve of Chanda Manlapit. Sabas got to it. Good shot. Cecilio with a delivery.
Oh, si Cecilio, ano to spark plug. Pag linagay mo siya sa court, nabubuhayan kahit paano yung team That's a good hit from Cecilio.
And Cecilia scoring her first point of the match. They're still down by a substantial number. It's an 8-point lead by the Comelec. This shot is outside, and that's the 7th point of the Senate.
Good read there by Cecilio. Nakita na niya kaya sinigaw niya outside for her teammates not to run after that ball.
Wag na, sayang
Oh.
Sheila Cecilio serve in play. Yumang hustles for it. Abel nails it on the baseline, on the end line.
Si Abel, talaga ang tina-target niya yung end line Because if you have a long ball like that, nakakalito for the back row players. Hahabulin ba nila o hindi?
At most of the time, the back row is already, has lunged forward already.
Yes.
Here's Shyla Tan and her serve. Dances nicely into the air. Lai, Sabas, and Drowley with a good dig. And Abel gets it on the cross-court attempt.
No, that wasn't a very strong hit from Abel, but it was good placement. She saw na merong hole doon in between zone 1 and 2, and she got the point.
We're at 16-7. In the meantime, this sails out. We can now send it to Ira for a report.
I was talking to Coach Ricky Marcos about the losses of Comelec at sabi niya naging problema nga daw yung kanilang mga services. their services recently weren't as powerful as their early services in their 3-0 run. Kaya daw naging sunod-sunod yung pagkatalo nila. Usually daw kasi pa nagsuservice sila, chance ball daw yung babalik dahil nga sa sobrang powerful ng mga service at dun sila nakakapuntos. Yun daw yung isa sa mga main reasons kung bakit naging sunod-sunod yung talo nitong Comelec Suffragettes. And dahil nga sunod-sunod yung mga talo nila, unti-unting na bumaba yung mga moral ng kanyang mga players at nawala yung kumpiyansa nila sa kanilang mga sarili para maglaro. Pero unti-unting binabalik ni Coach Ricky yun sa kanilang mga ensayo. And when I was talking to Coach Ricky Marcos about the losses of the Comelec Suffragettes, alam niya sa sarili niya and he told me with conviction na alam niya yung babawi yung kanyang mga players, lalong-lalo na yung mga imports para sa ngayong araw. Balik sa inyo, 7 Chiki.
At bumawi nga si Judith Abil with a shot down the middle. And so far, Abil has registered 7 points in this first set.
Alam mo, one of her rituals, kailangan naka-French braid ang kanyang buhok.
Yeah, importante yan. Pupunta muna ng Boracay yan para paggawa yung braid. In the meantime, Sabas, by the way, it's one of the things women can, or anybody can have done if you go to Boracay. This one is scored upon by the Comelec. They have a 9-point lead, forcing Roger Correa to huddle up.
Magdala ng bola. Kasi yung binablock mo, kaliwete yun. Hindi naman kanan yun. Abangan mo yung kaliwa niya. Talagang dun kakabig papunta sa kaliwa mo. Papunta sa kanan mo. Kaya block mo dun sa kaliwang kamay niya. Wala tayong depensa eh. Bagsak na lang ng bagsak yung bola dyan. No? Kung saan tayo nakatayo, doon na lang tayo. Hindi natin tinitingnan yung spiker kung saan magdadala ng bola, kung saan kakabig eh. Tingnan yung maigi. Hindi naman kayo lalapitan ng bola eh. Kayo ang bumasa kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola. Parang ano kasi, yung tamad yung maglaro ngayong per set. No? Konti sigla naman. Hindi tayo mananalo ng ganyan. Gusto nilang manalo eh. Mas gusto nilang manalo kaysa sa atin. Kailangan gusto nating manalo. Lang maro tayo manalo.
Ay, tayo pa yan. Habulin natin. Jay Sheila, let's go. 1, 7!
Napakasimple ng instructions ni Coach Roger.
Yeah. Kailangan lang talaga magsipag inside the court. Kasi if you compare nga naman ang Comelec tsaka Senate, mas maingay ang Comelec eh. Tapos mas maggalaw sila inside the
Tapos ang
court.
bigat ng galaw nitong Senate eh.
Oo.
Naunahan eh. 18-9.
Very important talaga yung momentum starter eh.
Now they need some, and they may not be able to complete a turnaround in this first set, but they need energy that will hopefully spill over into the second set. In the meantime, that hits the inside, and the point belongs to the Senate. They are now with 10 against 18. Johnny Kalai gets an ace, gives the Senate its 11th point. Yumang. And Rowley loads up, but Cecilia says, Puto! And this is not returnable.
Oh, nung naputo ni Cecilio, parang na-challenge doon si Jen Rowley. Binalik ni Jen Rowley kay Cecilio eh.
Bukan yan.
Oh, but it landed on an open zone. Hindi nahabol ni Cecilio yun.
So minsan that's the best place to put it eh. Kesa magbago ka pa ng angulo, solid, sige, balik nyo kung kaya nyo. 8-point lead by the Comelec. Nice dink. But kept alive. Yes, Andrali alert to it. And it results in a point.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger, no, na kailangan gumalaw ang Senate inside.
Yeah, it's an energy issue eh.
Ayan, no, one step sana earlier, she would have gotten that ball.
And he put it rather succinctly when he said, kailangan natin manalo. Gusto rin nilang manalo. So we have to show them that we want it just as much.
Right.
In the meantime, here's the attack. Manlapit. And this one is inside.
Yeah, that was a good hit by Sabas. Tingnan natin ulit. Si Dili-Dili did an underhand set. Medyo hirap siya doon, pero nagawa ng paraan ni Sabas. Hit that ball strong and long.
Sabas
Good save.
High up into the roof. Off hands here. Sige, bigayan ng free ball. Ito, ganda set. Abil says, no problem. Ganda rin, but it's out. Alam ni Cecilio na out there. Sinubukan niya, makasakali.
Si Jen Rowley kasi iniiba talaga niya yung mga posisyon ng bola niya. Kaya dapat, parang yung sinabi nga ni Coach Roger, bantayan niyo yung titira, basahin niyo kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola. So that you know where to position yourself on the floor.
Down the middle and it's a hot shot.
Ito rin si Sabas, kailangan merong nagsastop sa kanya at the net because even if she's at the back, ang ganda nung angulo ng tira niya.
Correct.
She hit that ball on top.
The serve in play. Down the middle. Lie with hands on it. Cecilia watching her shot being played out. And it's a check ball point for the Comelec.
Ganda ng mga sets ni Yumang. She knows her players. She knows kung ano yung gusto nilang bola, kung kailan lalakas yung tira nila. And she sets them up really well.
And nothing fancy with her sets. It's actually very basic. Down we go. Cecilio. Hinabol. Yumang in play. Sabas uncorks. No problem for the libero. Problematic for the front line though.
Yeah, because the ball from the libero, who's of course number 7 sa Comelec na si Hernan, was just too near the net. Ang hirap i-save para sa kanilang setter.
8-point lead for the Comelec here in the first set. Abil.
Wow.
Wicked shot.
Yeah.
That makes it 23-14.
That was a beautiful hit by Abil. Ang layo ng takeoff niya, kaya meron siyang momentum eh. Ang ganda pa ng arm swing, kaya ang bilis nung baba ng bola niya.
Abil and Rowley combining for 18 points. Each one with 9 so far in the set. That's not cross, but kept alive. Recycled offense here. Nice drop to the deck by Manlapit. Touch, no, does not work that time. Very short for Razos.
Kulang lang sa push. Good idea though for Razos.
Kasi tinignan niya na yung open space.
Yes.
Naalis yung mata niya doon sa bola. Nagkagulo na. 23-15. Always happens. Abil, ako check. Uy, hindi check ball binigay.
Oh, I thought there was a check on the ear of Magnaye.
Parang tinamaan eh. But they don't argue it. It's 23-16. A safe 7-point lead. All Roger Gorayab wants is some momentum going into the second set. Set, down the middle we go. And they get their 17th point.
Yeah, that was a good set by Cecilio to Sabas. Ayan, she took over that second ball and Sabas was able to deliver with an off-the-arm hit.
Timeout by Ricky Marcos, trying to stymie this uprising by the Senate tail end of this first set.
Natin naiiwasan niya. Pero pag medyo mataas na, feel mo na nasa dulo kayo, outside na talaga yon. Sigaw kayo para ma-aware yung kasama natin kung outside o i-inside, okay? Huwag ka matakot, pali mo, normal lang na balo yan eh. Okay, tinakas tayo, binigyan ka ng kumpias, pali mo, ha? Para mas tayo, okay? One good pass lang tayo, isang magandang pasa lang para di mahirapan yung kasama natin. Okay, go, tara. Go.
If you've been listening to coaches of volleyball as long as Chicky and I have been doing this game, it's always the timeout ends. One good pass, one good receive. Because this game, as you know by now, ladies and gentlemen, is so simple, it's so complicated at the same time. There are only 3 passes on each take on the ball, so each pass has to be perfect actually.
Yes. And the first pass is crucial.
The most crucial.
Oo. Kaya maganda yung timeout ni Coach Ricky, no? Dahil talagang he wants to break the momentum na nagbe-build dito sa Senate.
Let's see if they can find a way to freeze the server, but it counters, and the Senate gets its 18th point. They're down just by 5 right now. Very late rally now by the Senate.
Yes. Pero sabi ko sa iyo, si Cecilio, malaking spark plug siya para sa Comelec. I'm sorry, Senate.
Yumang, standing spike by Abil. Sinday with the set. Brushed by Abil. She jumps into position. Dili. Sinday. Yumang. And it's too hot to handle.
Kita mo na na maganda yung magiging tira ni Abil dun sa setup ni Yumang. Look at her approach. Malayo yung pinanggalingan niya. And she was in a perfect position. Not too close to the net, not too far. It was comfortable for her.
Audrey Rose knock on with a serve. Lai. Set point here. And it's done. First set belongs to the Comelec.
Comelec started out with a lot of energy right away. They scored. They had at least a 3-point advantage or 5-point advantage right away. And sinakyan na nila yon, dinala na nila yon until they finished it, this first set.
Okay, we'll take a short break between the sets and let's see if the Senate has a comeback capacity to tie the set count here as we continue with the UVL.
Number 2 spot. So kaya naman, nakikita na daw ni Coach kung sino yung top 3 things.
Abil attack. Wicked shot into down the line. Down the middle, they're not. Lead always happens. Abil, Abil check. That's how the first set ended, 25-18. Chiqui Pablo put it so correctly. Early lead by the Comelec. They hung on to it and sustained it throughout that first set. We'll take a look at the numbers.
So ito yung kwento nun, no? As you can see, the attack points of the Suffragettes, 17 as opposed to just 7 because they were able to control the first ball. They were able to si Yumang was able to put her hitters in good positions. Ang ganda rin ng kanilang services. Although dito hindi masyado na-translate, no? Dahil 3-2 lang. Pero ang daming services doon that came from Abil and Jan Rowley that put the Senate out of system. Kaya most of the time na over lang nila yung bola. Nadidictate ng Comelec kung saan manggagaling yung attacks ng Senate dahil nga napakaganda ng kanilang services. Although mas mataas yung errors do ng Comelec, which was really also their problem in their last game, yung kanilang unforced errors. Ang Senate, 4 lang. Pero kanina, no, ang sabi ni Coach Roger, the first part of the first set, nakaka-6 na sila. So, maybe we could double-check itong number of errors na to. Pero, kailangan both teams have to control that, yung unforced errors. Kasi yun yung mga sayang na pwede mong iwasan, eh.
In the meantime, we get things ready for the second set. And the biggest concern of Roger Gorayeb nung first set was the lack of energy of his team. Lack of ganas. Oo. Kaya kulang ng masyadong kinabahan eh. Masyadong tense yung laro ng Senado nung ano. Keep in mind, the Senate was our first runner-up last season.
Right.
So they're hoping to make it again into the top 4 and vie for a possible championship again. But the surge of the BFP has changed the equation substantially.
And we'll see BFP later. They have a game also today. Not a good way to start the second set, but I'm sure babawi agad. No? Itong si Kyle Sinday.
And Sinday sends it into the net. The Comelec gets a freebie. Here's Abil, who usually starts the serving for the Comelec. And that's long, Nanggigigil. And 2-0, Comelec gets on the board twice right away here in the second.
You know, everybody helps dito sa Comelec side eh. Kung outside
Correct.
yung bola, sinisigaw nila out eh.
Kung mag-in, wala naman tayong magagawa. Pero mas kita ng ibang usually yan. Yan, out yan. Malakas ang serve ni Abil and it gives the Senate its first point. Marvy Felipe will serve. Yumang goes to Gendrauli. And again, it's too hot to handle.
Si Gendrauli gusto niya malapit sa net yung bola eh. Kasi para wrist action na lang halos ang kailangan niyang gawin. So much power.
Alam mo bakit din? Wala naman masyadong blocking din eh.
Oo.
So bakit mo pa i-cross court? Bakit mo pa kailangan na pasayawin pa ng konti? Di kamay-kamay na lang, as coaches would say. This serve, however, is bungled. And it now belongs to the other side as Haven Sabas will be serving. Comelec with a slight lead and Sabas bungles it as well. Comelec gets its fourth point. Really sleepy start by the Senate here.
Oh, parang nagkakamot na lang si Coach Roger. Hindi niya malaman ano ba nangyayari sa kanyang team.
You know, it's really, it comes down to the players. The coaches can only do so much.
Right.
And it's now 5-2. And you know what? It's mostly on the errors done by the Senate themselves. Felipe. Oh, good. Well done.
That was a good first ball. And a good setup there for Tubiera.
And Tubiera, who started in this match, is back in the lineup here in the second set. It's 3 against 5 here. The serve. Cerezo has to dig deep, and they will give a freebie to the other side. Abil. Yumang gently lifts it high. And Andrauli gets it to bite, despite the fact it wasn't the prettiest of spikes.
Yeah. Yun nga yung sabi ni Coach Roger kanina, kailangan pag tumitira si Gendrauli, tingnan mo kung ano ba yung tendency niya. Tapos yun ang kailangan bantayan, lalo na't kaliwete.
Always hard to guard the southpaws, the left-handed players, into the back row. Manlapit.
Good set.
Hinabol.
Oo nga. Tinignan ni Abel si Gendrauli at may habol na suntok sa butt. Medyo malabo daw malayo yung hinabol ni Abel dun sa bolang sinetap ni Gendrauli.
Layo ng tinakbo with 7-3. Again, the separation being created by the Comelec early on. And another error. Dili bungles it.
It's always better to receive the ball face forward kesa sa on the side kasi mas may control ka eh. Like that one, it was taken from the side so less yung control mo sa bola doon.
We have a timeout, but when the timeout ends, we'll let Ira Pablo start reporting to all of you.
Lumaki na naman yan, oh. Service natin, huwag natin itapon. 2 beses pa lang tayo nagsiservice, pareha sa error pa. Taas na yung bola, Marby, taas mo lang. Nang mapalo ng maayos yung bola. Depensahan nyo, nasa harap yung kaliwete. Yung kaliwang kamay ang babantayan nyo, huwag yung kanan. Tapos galaw-galaw kayo ng kaunti. Naka-steady lang kayo eh. Pag pinalo yung bola, kung hindi rin lang naman pupunta sa inyo, wala kayong reaksyon. Hindi kayo nag-a-attempt naman lang na kumilos ng bahagya. Wala, nakaganon lang lahat. Parang
Laban tayo, kapit lang ha. 1, Senate!
The longest serving employee para dito sa Comelec Suffragettes ay yung kanilang team captain na si Jane Yumang. She has been serving Comelec for 26 years already. Sabi niya, naging problema nga daw nung sunod-sunod na pagkatalo ng Comelec ay nawala yung kanilang service receive. Pero kahapon at nung Monday nakapag-ensayo yung Comelec at maganda daw yung tinakbo ng kanilang mga ensayo. Hindi nga lang daw sila nakumpleto dahil wala yung kanilang mga abogado dahil ongoing ngayon yung mga Senate sessions, kailangan nandun rin yung mga abogado ng COMELEC. Balik sa inyo.
And it's so critical to be able to get some practice in before matches. Thank you very much, Aina Pablo. And now, COMELEC beginning to pull away at 9-3.
No, you know, you could see the movement of COMELEC. Organized yung movement nila inside the court.
Yeah.
They know when to move forward, when to move backward. Samantala sa Senate, medyo nagkakagulo pa sila. They need to communicate better inside the court.
Here comes a set by Abil. A shot by Abil, rather, off the set of Yumang. Dili-dili, dinks it out, drops it over. Tan, hindi mabaunitan yung palo niya. Short for Sinday, nowhere to go.
Again, you also have to watch your hitter, no? Pag mas maliit, kailangan mas malayo sa net. Because pag yung mga ganyang setup na malapit, mahihirapan talaga if you don't have that much of a height.
We have a new player coming in for the Senate. That's number 7. That's Ellen Pantanosas. And she will pull out Sinday. And Rowley continues to serve. They lead 10-3. Oh, straight and true.
Wow. Import to import. Rowley to Tubiera.
And Rowley has registered 13 points. 4 of them off service aces.
11 serving 3.
Nice serve. Chance ball.
Set up by Yumang down the middle. And Dili-Dili ended up not getting her dance steps down pat.
That was a good decision from Abil. 2 blockers in front of her. So she just tips that ball over but redirects it. Hindi lang diretsyong tip. Linagay sa kaliwa.
12-3 is the count. That serve is long.
Good read by Sabas there, letting that ball go. Easy point for them.
But again, a big gap has been established right away. And napakahirap talagang maghabol. Lalo na sa larong ito. Dili-Dili's underhand serve. The attack by Abil. Kept in play. Felipe with the set. Yumang backs away. Tan makes it a set. Abil fires. Sabas is there. Nocon is also there. Down the middle we go.
Nice. Ganda nung mata ni Abil. Hindi lang siya puro strong hits, but she saw na walang tao dun sa zone 4. Kaya dun niya hinulog yung bola.
Pumatok siya sa pinto. Delivery po. Walang tao.
Walang tao.
Iiwan ko na lang ho dito. Good set. That's outside though. Not the day of the Senate, really. They're playing
I think
not their usual game, actually.
Oo. I think ano rin sila masyadong controlled
Yeah,
yung kanilang movement.
Yeah, I hated to say, I was thinking of saying lackluster, but that's exactly what it is. They're late to the ball. Their alertness is shot here today. Trying to get something going here. Abil fires. Dili-Dili better dig that time. Nice dig over that time by Tubiera, and it's still playable. Papaluin. Naku, naunahan. Out.
Ganda yung mga hulog ni Abil Talagang tinitingnan niya kung saan merong butas sa Senate. Kaharap niya si Tubiera, inunahan niya because it was already in the safe plane. Pwede silang mag-joust doon. She got to the ball first and had complete control of it.
Abil already with 14 points in the match. Felipe sets. Good shot. Menchi Tubiera knocking it down the middle and gives Senate its 5th point, but they're still down as of the moment by 10.
Here goes Tubiera with that down the line hit that earned them the point.
She serves. Tan says, let me set this up. Back row attempt by Gendrauli. In the air we go. Cross-court attempt. Stays in.
Sabas with a little help from the net. Brings in the point for the Senate. Kahit anong tira, di ba? Basta makapuntos na.
Basta maka-atake actually. 9-point lead by the Suffragettes. Yumang calmly sets it up. Abil, bullet, straight into.
It's hard to have just one blocker for Abil.
No, yeah.
She can redirect the ball very easily.
Yeah, no problem. Ira, report please.
Menchie Tubiera is listed as an import para dito sa Senate, but she also has a full-time job. Hindi nga lang siya nagtatrabaho para sa Senate, sa LTO naman daw siya nagtatrabaho, serving for 6 years already. Nagsimula siya as an LTO officer hanggang sa nalipat siya sa licensing. So yung biometrics, yung document, yung pag-aasikaso sa mga driver's license, yan yung mga hinahawakan ni Menchie Tubiera. Balik sa inyo.
Tara, kuha tayong lisensya.
Oo, saan kayang branch? Si Tubiera.
Alamin mo nga, Ira, anong branch? Excuse me, kasama po tayo sa UNTV Volleyball League. 18 years old po ako, pwedeng wala ng test.
Correct.
Hindi pwede yun. 16-8. Set down the middle. Abil with a bullet again. She has 16 points.
Kailangan talaga yung mga tira ni Abil may technique in receiving it. So strong hits like that, you have to get it in front and then don't move your arms. Let it bounce off your arms. Just direct it to your setter.
Abil, the leading scorer with the serve. Abil battling for the shot. Down the middle. Oh, good dig up that time. Manlapit. Oh, good shot.
Nice.
Well done.
Yeah, that was a good aggressive move by Sabas. Look at this. There's a quick return, but it was an over-receive, and wow, Sabas wouldn't have that. Good decision.
Knock on. Yumang. And Rowley. Good return. Better playing by the Senate in the last 2 points. Good cut shot. Cerezo was there.
Oh, good save.
Oh! Hindi maisoli ng Comelec. Nagkalituan ng konti. 17-10.
Ganda naman kasi nung galaw ng bola, kaya kung ikaw din sa Comelec, parang, uy, unbelievable na save, di ba? Mapapanood ka na lang eh.
Ay, buhay pa.
Oo.
Knock on serve. Short. And Rowley rams into the net. We're going to have a timeout by Ricky Marcos.
Relax lang kayo. Huwag kayo masyadong maraming iniisip o ano ha. Tingnan ba, transition na tayo. Nakatambay ka pa doon. Di ba pag transition, babalik ka na sa pwesto mo? Ganun lang naman yan eh, okay? Pag Stoy, ate, nakakadepensa naman tayo. Nasa atawan naman natin, angat lang natin. Okay? Nandun na kayo eh. Nandun naman kayo sa position, nandun naman kayo sa ano, na tumatama sa inyo yung bola, iangat nyo lang. Okay? And pag-aaralan naman natin yan eh. Okay? Taas ko na sa gitna para makatuloy tayo. Okay? One good stop tayo. Okay, tara. Go. Stop it! Game tayo.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ricky dun eh, no? Yung position nyo on transition, very important din yun. Kaya nga hindi pwedeng nanonood lang eh, inside the court. You're always moving when you're inside the court, whether you're defense or offense. Tapos yung pag-angat daw ng bola, na-practice na nila yan. So meron silang technique on how to receive soft balls, how to receive fast balls, and strong balls.
As we have the serve of knock-on that lands short and Comelec arrives at 18.
If you're Senate, talagang, yung puso mo. But if you're from Comelec, buti na lang nag-net.
Yeah, if you're the Senate, you're disappointed that your run has been cut short. Here comes the set. excellent big attempt, but it won't stay in the air. Well done by attorney Jean Catherine Rodriguez.
Ang ganda nung palo doon. It was sharp and it challenged the libero of Comelec.
6-point lead. Abil. Yumang. Double contact.
Nahuli yun ng referee. Si referee Alvin Ledesma.
Alam mo kung minsan yung tawag na yun, if it's so obvious, kailangan tawagan eh. Lead is down to 5. Off the hands and in play. Becomes a set. Oh yes sir, wide open space.
Well, you know what? Good communication again from Comelec. Abil took charge of that first ball and Yumang was able to just put that ball up for Gendrauli. May blocker sa harap niya pero ang daling iwasan for Gendrauli.
Yumang serve. In flight. Nice drop by Tubiera.
That's a good back set.
In play, in safe, fair territory, Manlapit will attack. Yumang. Andrali, back row! Problematic.
You know, si Gendrauli didn't even have enough space for a momentum builder in her approach. Look at that. Tumalon lang siya. So, ginawa niya placement. She went for a long ball. And sure enough, it was hard for Senate to receive it.
Pag yung bola, huwag yung palampasin dito sa ganito. Hindi nyo makukuha sa ganyan. Kailangan magkasama. Marmi dito, kunin mo yung magtago yung kalahating katawan mo nandun sa locker. Lumabas ka. Ganyan talaga ang gagawin natin dyan para matapatan nyo yung palo. Ha? Konting sigla na, lulungkot ninyo eh. Ha? Kunwari, merong may birthday. Tapos,
Birthday! Guys, go! 1-7!
Turama kasi kayo yun eh. Tama yan. Sige, lagay tayo ng balloons. Lagay tayo ng cake. Baka naman sumigla ng konti. Sabi ko na nga ba, kailangan na Roger Goreyev joke para sumigla itong Senado. But they're down currently by 7. And we've got Yumang all set to serve. As Ira reported, Jane has worked for the Comelec for the last almost 30 years. Net is shaking, but not because of anybody. And yes, no whistle, we play on. No whistle, we play on. Two-handed stop that time. Kept in play by the Senate. Battle at the net, it stays down and out. Tobiera taking care of business.
At yan ang gusto mo kung ikaw si Coach Roger after the timeout, aggressive at the net to Biera. That created a lot of problem for the Comelec.
Steffi Aquino, their libero, with a small contribution, but that mattered in that last sequence. Pantanosas is back in. Better serving now by the Senate, actually. Off hands. Dili-dili with a hand on it. Enough to keep it in play.
Nice.
Wow.
Done.
Andrali dropping a message.
Such a smart move from Danica. Look at that. Akala mo titirahin niya ng malakas and then she goes, ay wag na lang, hulog ko na lang dito sa zone 4. Ayun.
Jevin Sabas with a good effort to pancake the ball, but really out of reach there. 21-14. But you know, the Senate playing better here. They get this after that timeout. After the birthday party was announced, they seem to be playing better.
Sino kaya nag-birthday? Bigla.
Tawa naman kayo. De Los Santos will come in for Tan on the side of the Comelec. Sandra is one of the imports of the Comelec.
And she's a middle blocker. Babantayan niya si Tubiera.
Good shot by Abel.
And you've got two major hitters here in front for the Comelec. Ayan si De Los Santos at saka si Abel. Good hit by Abel there, going for cross-court dahil the blocker tried to watch and stop yung down-the-line hit niya.
Here's Chandra Manlapit.
Good dig.
Abel adjusts and scores.
Ang ganda nung mata ni Abel. Kagabi lang siya nagpalagay ng false lashes, sabi niya sa akin. At ang ganda ng tulong nito. Look at how she sees that open zone on zone 1. Quick point for them.
They have an 8-point lead, 23-15, and they arrive at set point.
Services ng Comelec has done a lot of help in the points, no? Yung advantage nila dito sa second set.
Manlapit serve for the set. It's off the hands of De Los Santos.
Yeah, good hit there by Tubiera. Kita niya, tsaka kilala niya itong si De Los Santos. Alam niya kung anong gagawin. That's why she played with the blocker and went for an off the block. Pababa na si De Los Santos, doon pumasok yung tip niya.
One set point saved.
Oh.
And in the most inauspicious manner, the second set ends.
You know, services are really very important, crucial. It's the one that creates the momentum and it stops also the momentum pag nagka-error doon. That Gendrauli doing a fantastic job as well as Abel for Comelec in the second set as usual. Sa kabila naman, si Tubiera and Sabas tried to put the energy level of the Senate up. Kailang kulang lang talaga pa din. Maybe in this third set.
Let's see. The last time these two met, of course, it was a 5-setter. But let's see how the cookie crumbles today. 25-16, the winning score of the Senate in the second day, or the Comelec rather in the second, and the Comelec has it to love. Okay, nang matapos ang second set, yan po ang tunog ng ating score. 2-set to love lead by the Comelec against the Senate. Let's take a look at the numbers with Chicky.
Here you've got, again, first good balls. First balls pala were good for the Comelec. Kaya mas madaming kanilang attack points. Mas maganda yung nasa-setup ni Yumang kasi nabibigay sa kanya yung bola. She didn't really have to run around the court in that set. She was able to give that ball very easily sa kanyang mga hitters. Service aces, ayan. Ang gumawa niyan si Gendrauli at saka si Abel. Very sharp, very strong. Sometimes were long. And those attacks na ginawa nila were not that very many strong hits pero placement. Ang gaganda ng mga hulog, ang ganda ng mga critical na points. Nagagawa nila ng paraan eh. Nahuhulog nila sa zone 4, nahuhulog nila, napupush nila sa zone 1, kung saan talagang pinapatakbo nila yung players ng Senate. So tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin itong third set, makakahabol kaya ang Senate because in the first time that they met, ito, ang team standings, tingnan muna natin. PNP is leading with 7-2. AFP, sila yung defending champions sa Season 1 but they're now second place. Tingnan natin, may game sila mamaya eh. And BFP, 6-3. Ayun, nako. Meron din silang laro mamaya. Tingnan natin.
Ayun. Pinaka-importante dun yung 4-4-4-4.
Yun, o nga.
Kasi tabla itong dalawang to eh.
Kaya unahan sila eh, di ba? Umangat sa win slot.
Critical yung sinabi ni Coach Roger kanina na gusto nilang manalo, parang mas gusto nila eh. So, we usually try not to use the sports monikers or cliches, no? Na who wants it more, but you can tell the Comelec They have better energy against the Senate here.
Start pa lang may kita mo malakas yung boses nila, gumagalaw sila. And look at this. Ang ganda nung push ni Jen Rowley sa 2. Lai was there. Konting stretch lang sana yun ng arm. Makuha niya yung bola.
Here's Lai. Here's a drop. Yuma kept it in play. Still alive. Problematic. Short on the attempt. Sa likod pinadala. Cecilio spinning around. That crawls over the net. One elbow on it. Attack! Yes!
Again, si Sabas, no, talagang she'll take advantage of those over-receive. Ito medyo nagkagulo kasi yung floor defense ng Comelec eh. That's why that ball went over the net and Sabas was there for it.
Senate takes the lead. 2-1 here in the third set. First set going the way of the Senate.
Oh,
wow! First set going the way of the Comelec and the second set as well. In the meantime, look at this. Senate with a 2-point lead.
Look at that serve. Pinasok talaga ng net. Good point for them.
Matulis yung serve na yan, ha?
Oo.
Vinluan, the libero of the Senate, keeping it in play. Back row action. Sino ang titira? Si Cecilio. Vinluan. And it's the fourth touch.
Oo. Kasi natamaan na nila yung first ball and then natira ni Sabas and then their libero. And then the fourth was Sabas.
Senate still in the lead though by 1. Drop, elbow, shoulder, kahit ano pwede. Yumang, down the middle, and that's inside.
Yeah, again, Jen Rowley, so dangerous when she's in front. Look at that. May blocker na dun sa harap niya. Kaya lang yun nga sabi ni Coach Roger, bantayan nyo yung kaliwa niya. Kasi yun yung tumitira
And the bulk of the points being created by Yumang, by Abil and Hendrauli, both with 18. That's inside.
You know, that's such a difficult angle, yung bola when she pushed it in between 4 and 5.
Yeah, I agree.
Hirap kunin nun.
That gets a chance to crawl over the net. Cecilio slaps it over. Yumang. Hendrauli whips it in.
Good up.
Cerezo keeps it in play. Down the middle we go. Lai. Slow down volleyball here. Both sides exchanging digs and it's out of reach.
Ang bilis kasi nung bola ni Jen Rowley Kaya kailangan talaga nakapwesto ka kagad. Kung gumalaw ka man because you tried to run after that ball, you have to also be fast going back to your position.
Correct, correct. 5-3 count. Down the middle, short. And the Comelec advances by 3, 6-3.
But this is a better energy level for Senate.
It looks that way, you know. Jane Yumang. Lai goes to Cecilio. Regalo. Hendrauli, Lai. Vinluan. Sabas keeping it in play. Good exchange here. And it ends.
You know, Cecilio blocked Jen Rowley pero nakapasok pa rin yung bola. But she went back to her position right away. That's why she was able to get that attack point for the Senate.
Razos unable to lift it high. And in the meantime, and just when you get the point, it goes away that just as quickly as Cerezo unable to get it over the net.
Lahat na patingin kay Coach Roger kung anong magiging reaction niya doon.
Parang siguro at this point, sabi niya, what else can go wrong for us? Just when we were getting some momentum going actually. Sabas. By Sabas. Outside. Too strong. Ira, go ahead.
Danjen Rowley graduated from Southwestern University of Cebu. Naglaro siya ng volleyball doon at doon nga niya naging teammate yung player ng BFP na si Gang Abeliana. And right after college, naglaro siya in several professional leagues. At sinama siya dito ni Sandy De Los Santos para sumama dito sa Comelec when they found out na magkakaroon nga ng UVL team itong Comelec. So Sandy De Los Santos and Danjen Rowley are actually really close friends. They also host volleyball clinics together wherein they teach aspiring students to play volleyball. But excited.
Thanks for the update, Ira. In the meantime, let's segue into a Roger Goreyev timeout.
Pupuntos yan. Ano ba? Ano ba gusto ninyong mangyari? Gusto ninyong manalo pero hindi naman kayo gumagawa ng paraan para manalo. Ay, naghahabol tayo eh. Lamang ang kalaban, tatapon nyo yung service. Ito na. Pupuntos ba yun? Tapos nagtatapon tayo na nagtatapon sa opensa. Ay, nako.
Go, go, go! Hinga, relax na.
One! Set!
Kasi when you're 2 sets down and the score is 10-4, talagang ano ka na eh, when you're inside the court and you're the player, medyo kabado ka na ayaw mong ikaw yung magkamali. Ayaw mong ikaw yung
That's the point.
magbaba ng energy level dahil sa error mo. So you're very careful now with your steps, with your reception.
You're actually all tensed up.
Oh, you're all tensed up. That's why, ayan, kita mo yung mga reception, hindi umaabot sa setter eh.
And in the meantime, the comment.
Yeah, so, you know, that was an error from the Comelec. So, puntos yon para sa Senate. Kailangan makapitalize ng Senate agad yan para makahabol sila because in the first 2 sets, malaki din yung agwat. In the second set, nagkaroon ng 12-4 pero nakahabol sila.
Exactly. 10-5 ang count natin dito. Abil. It's dug up quite well by Cerezo. Sinuntok ni Umang. Sabi niya, bahala na.
I think yung nangyari doon, tinaas niya yung kamay niya to set up, but if she's gonna set it, parang sasabit siya sa net, kaya sinundot na lang niya.
Tapos, siguro, sabay tingin, uy, baka may open space. Pero lahat, wala na, hindi na kumunik.
Oo.
Here comes the set. Abil.
Wow.
They want to finish this right away, right here, right now.
Such a beautiful hit from Abil. Inspired hit. Look at that. Down to zone 1 and nobody was home.
Danica with 21. Judith with 19. Lai. Long.
She was a little under the ball, kaya nakabukas yung kamay niya when she let that ball lumabas. Si Coach Mark, dito sa, Coach Ricky Marcos, dito sa Comelec, medyo happy siya.
He's
Ng smile.
light on his feet because they have a commanding lead actually and everybody's playing well.
Yeah. Good up.
But the discipline of the second ball setter did not happen as Umang was too far away. She apologizes actually. We need some housekeeping. There's a slick portion on the floor. Players say it's all right.
Yeah.
In the meantime, 5-point lead by the Comelec. They lead 2 sets to love. Sheila Cecilio serving play. Abil uncorks another fireball.
Kung makikita mo rin dito sa Comelec, no, when Abil goes for a hit, the coverage is there for them. Kaya pag bumalik pa yung bola, alam mo na merong kukuha nun eh. Tanagan was there right behind Abil.
Maria Manuel will see action, pulling out Shailatan. Serve sails over. Sabas. A bullet coming from Sabas, and it's on target.
Nice. This is what you want from your player. Na kahit na nag-commit ka ng error a few plays ago, hindi nawawala yung confidence mo and courage mo to attack the ball. And Sabas has that.
And Sabas is the leading scorer for the Senate with 13. Nobody else is close, although Tubiera has 7. Good dig that time. Down the middle we go. And it's alive. I would go back to Sabas. Set up. And another miscue.
Alam mo ang ginagawa ng Comelec, binibilisan nila yung pace. Parang gusto na nilang umuwi. Pero yun nga because maganda yung nila, maganda yung first ball nila, nabibigay nila ng maganda kay Yumang. Yumang is able to set up the attackers really fast. So now on deck to serve si Judith Abil. Kanina pa si Abil with service aces. This one was well received. Unfortunately, the attack is long. So it's now 14 serving 8. So Abil is still up to serve.
Yeah, and it's 15-8. Tama ka about wanting to go home right away. Might as well. Why give the Senate a chance, di ba? That's long and outside. That will make it 16-8.
The Senate, okay, the Senate has to calm down a little bit so that they can get their game going.
Yeah. Even if it might be a little difficult here.
Yes.
Go Ira, please.
A while ago, you guys were talking about the schedule of Coach Roger Gorayev. At totoo nga, medyo hectic talaga yung schedule nitong si Coach Roger dahil 4 na teams yung hawak niya ngayon. Natapos na yung isang collegiate team niya, kaya available siya para sa Senado ngayong araw. But for Coach Roger Gorayev, at this point in his career, ang habol na lang daw niya ay to be surrounded with people who are truly passionate about the sport at yung mga sincere talaga na gustong matuto sa volleyball. Kaya itong 4 na teams na hawak ni Coach Roger is not a problem for him. Ipapasok niya sa kanyang schedule itong 4 na team. So kung makikita nyo sa timeouts ng Senado, medyo disappointed itong si Coach Roger. Pero dito sa panig ng Senado, makikita mo pa rin na nakangiti itong si Coach Roger at nakikipagbiroan sa kanyang mga katabi. Right now, let's listen into the timeouts.
Dalawang spiker, targetin nyo. Huwag nyo ipilit dun sa marunong dumipesa. Lahat ng pinalo natin papunta dito sa kaliwa. 50% o mahigit patay eh. Lahat ng pinalo natin doon sa kanan hindi namatay. Sa atin namamatay.
Ayan. Hanggang 5 set tayo. 1, Senate!
Malayo pa yan.
Okay.
Yeah. Good reminder yun no? Na dapat ang target yung open zones, hindi dun sa magagaling mag-receive.
Sinubukan ni Coach Roger dun sa last sequence na yun. Si Clint Malaso, assistant niya, pinasalita niya, baka sakali makinig kayo kay Clint. Sawan-sawa na kayo sa akin, ha? 17-8 ang count. Not a good day for the Senate, you can tell, but Sabas trying to spark some life into their games. De Los Santos dumps it over. Here comes the middle attack. Yes, check ball. No. Clear. Looked like a check ball, but it wasn't. It's long, 18-8.
Oh, parang the ball was high for, I think that was Manlapit. The ball was high para ma-check yung bola. Samantala, rest muna si Sabas.
And Tobiera's back in. De Los Santos will be serving. Sandra serve. Down the other side. Naku, hesitant, that's out.
Yeah. Magnaye wasn't ready for that setup from Lai.
De Los Santos will continue to serve. Comelec beginning to tiptoe towards the finish line here. Uh-oh. She changed her mind at the last moment. It looked like she was going down the line, then they said, uy, subukan kaya natin mag-cross court.
Itong volleyball talaga, tinuturuan ka. Once you make a decision, stick to it.
Commit to it.
Commit.
In the meantime, that serve is long, and it'll make it 20-9. Jean Rasos will serve. I failed to mention, China Tinagan is also ready there, wearing number 2. There she is on the attack, long.
Too much of an angled hit there by Tinagan. Pretty sure babawi yan. Bibigyan yan ulit ni Yumang.
Ay, hiningi ni Tanagan eh. Balik mo sa akin. Pag hindi, di mali tayo. Pero hindi!
Bigay nga.
Pero smart setting would say, balik mo kay Tanagan actually.
Correct.
Nagkaguloan, Senado. Benluan sends it high.
Nice!
Well done that time by Chanda Manlapit, who scores her second point.
Oh, ang ganda ng distribution ni Yumang. She went for Manlapit and, you know, you could tell that the defense wasn't quite ready for that attack.
Charlatan returns, pulls out Manuel. And the Comelec beginning to look at the finish line. They see it already. Yumang serve. Too hot to handle.
So right now, talagang the command is dictated. No? Talagang nasa Comelec. They're on a roll.
Yes, indeed. And Yumang with her second ace. Another good serve in play. Cecilio whips it in. And they get their 11th point.
So eto na, mukhang humahabol ang Senate.
Bagamat malayo, ano ha?
Oo. Pero 1 point at a time. Kung hindi ka mag-give up, kaya.
No choice. Tan. Tubiera. Tan. Cecilio. Excellent floor defense by the Comelec here today. Another one of those long rallies which usually ends in a... And it's the 4th touch.
Yeah. You know, Tanagan didn't get that second kasi second ball always goes to the center. So kung walang help, diba? Walang sigaw na help, walang gagalaw na ibang player.
Oh, that's the discipline of the sport.
Yes.
Bungled. And the lead is down to 9.
See what I mean? Ito yung nangyari in the first 2 sets. Kaya this is a good timeout from Coach Ricky.
Chini, dito, labas ka konti. Huwag kang dito matatago, okay? Chanda, re-receive ka talaga. Sa gitna ka at Sandy, di ba? Ayan, 3 kayo re-receive. 1 good receive lang yan. Sa gilid ka. Sino sa gitna? Si Chanda. Chanda, dito ka sa gitna. Okay, 3-man receive tayo. Chini, 3-man receive tayo. Paano natin pag dumikit? Sige, try mo zone 1. Okay? Okay, 1 good receive lang tayo. Para maganda transition tayo. 3 na lang.
Sorry. Lotem tayo, lotem.
Baka magalangan kayo, ha?
Listen tayo, ha? Sama ka daw.
Napakaingay ng timeout. Malamang lamang sila. Malamang lamang sila. Pagka matahimik yung timeout,
Malamang hindi sila lamang.
hindi sila lamang. Wala na, hindi na tumayo si Roger at saka si Clint eh.
You know, talagang pinag-concentrate ng Comelec sa kanilang training against Senate kasi talagang pinaghandaan nila yung Senate to serve, receive. So kanina, narinig natin si Coach Ricky Marcos, talagang dinidictate niya, sinasabi niya, pag dito ang tira, dito kayo magre-receive. It's the positioning that really has to be correct para walang open zones.
Lead is down to 8 as Yumang miscalculated that punch. Yumang has to hustle for it. Tanagan. Light checks the horizon.
Good dig.
Tanagan. Hinabol. Karandang.
Good save.
Chance to attack now. Long.
Yeah, Cecilia tried to target the corner of zone 1, but yun lang, it just went long. 2 more points for the Comelec to get this match. Oh.
23-15 tally here. Jamie Dilly will be serving. Dilly keeps it in play. Manlapit unable to get into a good position.
Yeah, when the magandang ginagawa ng Senate, no, because they're able to put the ball over na pinapahirapan nila yung defense ng Comelec. Kaya ngayon, tumatakbo-takbo na si Yumang. Nahihirapan na sila sa atake.
Saka ang pinakamahirap is to close out the match.
Yes.
However, with a little help from the Senate, we arrive at match point. And Roger Goryev is saying, I've done my part. We have to do a little more work here.
Yumang also did a good job in distributing the sets para sa Comelec.
And at the end of this match, Comelec most likely will be 5-4, while on the other hand, the Senate will be at 4-5, which could be a turning point given the number of games left. That's outside though.
So may chance ngayon. May chance pa rin para sa Senate na humabol because it's 17 serving 24. Kailangan lang 0 errors. Nice serve.
Tan. And Tan provides them their final point. And it's a straight sets win by the Comelec.
Tan's hit wasn't hard, but it was a good placement, good controlled hit there. Comelec was just on fire today. They were able to have that energy level. They kept it from start to finish. Yumang distributed her sets really well. Lahat pinatira niya eh. Whether import ka or local ka, you had the chance to hit that ball and you know, she made you a star for a few seconds.
Sino ang best player natin, madam?
Nako, si Judith Abiel.